Hi, my name is Annika Reinhardt, and today we are installing StableWall by StableComfort. This is a great addition to foaling stalls or for stalls where horses may kick. Let's get to it.
You will receive the following items in your order: top cover, plastic strips, and premium pad. For a proper and safe installation, you will need the following tools and recommended safety equipment: a tape measure with a minimum length of 16 feet, chalk line, sharp utility knife with replacement blades, cordless impact drill, a level, minimum 2 feet in length, a caulking gun with 2 to 3 cartridges of fast-drying construction adhesive, an optional black caulking cartridge to create a waterproof seal above the plastic strip. You will also need to purchase the appropriate hardware for fastening your system. A box of 200 pieces of galvanized 8 by 1.5 inch screws is recommended. We highly recommend the following safety gear: work boots with steel toes, work gloves, safety glasses, earplugs. If you haven't already, measure the stall width and height. These measurements will help you place an accurate order. StableWall is available in 2 different heights, 46 inches and 60 inches. You will also need to decide if you would like to install 3/4 inch or 1.5 inch thick padding on your walls. If you are installing both StableComfort and StableWall, be sure to complete the installation of the flooring system prior to installing the wall system. Ahead of installation, you will want to pre-cut the cover. This will help eliminate having to handle extra cover in the stall. Measure your wall and add 6 inches to the measured height. A chalk line will help create a straight line when cutting. We recommend pre-drilling the strips with a 1/8 drill bit. The first hole should be 1/2 inch in from the end of the strip and 1/4 inch from each side of the strip, following a zigzag pattern with holes every 4 inches apart. To begin the installation, clean the surface area and remove any obstacles from the wall. Choose one wall to start with. Hold the cover up to the wall, keeping the lower edge flush with the top of your plastic strip, which was installed during your StableComfort stall flooring installation, or by keeping the cover flush at the bottom of the stall where the wall meets the floor. Measure the wall you are fastening first and cut your plastic strip to fit the length of the wall. The best way to cut the plastic strip is to use a utility knife to score the strip a few times at the desired length. By bending the strip backwards, it will break at the length you need. Fasten the ground strip at either length of the stall, securing the outside row first, followed by the inside row. Remeasure the entire length and width of the stall. Cut the foam to fit, leaving 3 inches off each side to leave room for fastening the vertical plastic strips. Apply adhesive and tack the foam pads to the wall. If you have chosen the 1.5 inch option, apply adhesive to the first layer of foam and position the second layer of foam, offsetting the foam seams from the previous layer. Tightly pull the top cover up over the foam with easy grips or vice grips. Be sure to pull the cover as tightly as possible. You do not want any wrinkles. Having your helper follow behind, fasten the outside row first, followed by the inside row. Once your top strip is attached, install the vertical strips by fastening them tightly. Finish the other walls following the previous steps. Be sure to keep the walls the same height. The only thing left to do is to cut the cover above the plastic strip. A hook, carpet blade, or sharp utility knife will help make this job easier. If you had to remove any obstacles from the walls before installation, you can now reattach them. As an option, black caulking can be used to seal off the top of the plastic strip to create a waterproof barrier. Your installation is now complete. That's all it takes: a few simple steps to deliver a real upgrade in comfort. For more information or to get started, connect with our team or your local dealer. If you're already installing, you're one step closer to lasting comfort in every stall.